Direct selling is truly getting redefined. V-Roots is making the difference in the Indian market right now. We are just 2 months old in Indian market, but at the same time, in 2 months' time, I'm so glad to inform you that we have redefined, we have changed the paradigms of many people who have been associated with the industry for the past so many years. In fact, I wanted to share with you 5 P's which we have been working on, and with a lot of excitement I can tell you that the way we expected the market to accept these 5 P's, the acceptance has been much beyond our expectation. The first one was the purpose. Right from the day I started V-Roots, I have been talking about purpose. This is a company which is going to be driven by purpose. The purpose is very clearly laid out. Empowering each and every person to take charge of their health and wellness so that they can live a long, productive and healthy life with peak levels of performance in all areas of their life. And V-Roots stands to provide them tools, products and services and also education to empower them to do so or to do biohacking. This is what our purpose. And I told very clearly in the beginning itself that anyone who wants to be partner with V-Roots first should understand the purpose and should be excited about the purpose. Then only we'll start the engagement. And I really congratulate each one of you because you have understood the purpose and you're living the purpose right now. I'm seeing the purpose really getting the life and getting transferred from people to people. This is quite exciting. And to fulfill that purpose, we have created products. We are not creating all different kinds of products so that we can make some money. We are creating those products, we are coming out with those kind of products which can meet the purpose. And the products are so special. They are precision, we call it as a precision nutrition. We're talking about personalization because we are purely focusing on personalized nutrition, personalized fitness, personalized diet plans. We have personalization as a core area and we are looking at perfection. We're not saying that our products are perfect, but we always work towards perfection. That's why we are bringing out each and every product with more and more precise delivery and absolutely phenomenal results. So our products are meeting the purpose, or our products are matching the purpose. And the third P is a process. The process where we have done complete disruption in direct selling, which has been a dream for me. Because direct selling for the last 25 years in India has never been disrupted. 20 years back, how people were doing direct selling, exactly the same way it has been happening now in India with most of these companies or almost all the companies. Of course, because of the COVID scenario, people moved from normal hall meetings to Zoom meeting. That's all. That's not disruption. That's not digitization. V-Roots came out with 100% end-to-end digitized platform. And this process is completely different from the normal direct selling or network marketing practice, where we created something called pull marketing rather than push marketing. We don't want our partners to go behind people and enroll people in bulk. We want people to come to you, and which has right now came to a reality through Woho. Woho is our digital sales platform or digitized sales platform, which is creating sales for people. You don't require to have all the sales skills in the world to become successful in V-Roots. You should know how to use Woho so that the Woho can create sales for you. It's a very powerful sales funnel, digitized sales funnel, which is creating wonderful business, wonderful results for people. That's about the process. We have completely disrupted the process which has been practiced in the Indian direct selling market for years together. And that I believe that if Indian direct selling industry has not even touched $2 billion with 25 years of experience and with 136 crore people in this market, this industry hasn't even touched $2 billion. That's not good. A market like Malaysia, where you have only 3 crore people, it is doing $6 billion. Why India hasn't performed that level? Only because the process has been a redundant, obsolete, old-time process. We have redefined the process. And we got the people who understand the purpose and understand that unique products are required for a sustainable direct selling model, where if you wanted to create residual income, you need to have people who buy the products on a repeated basis, for which you need to have uniqueness in the products. If it is just another product which is available in the supermarket, if it is just change your shop kind of a concept, maybe once someone will buy the product from you, and the next time they may go back to the shopping mall or a supermarket and buy the products. That is why we are very clear. It is not just me. Very intelligent people like Robert Kiyosaki or Paul St. Pilzer, they all say that if you wanted to succeed in direct selling, if you wanted to create a long-term legacy in direct selling, if you want to create a residual income in direct selling, your product should be unique, and it should not be available, it should not be something which is easily available in the normal traditional market. That way we have the products. And we got the people, that's the fourth P what I'm talking about. The people who understand that uniqueness of products is important, who understood that purpose is more important than profits, or at least equally important to profits, who understood the process and they were willing to make those changes which are required to adopt that process. So we got the right kind of people. I'm telling you, right now in V-Roots, in just 2 months' time, we got some of the finest leadership already emerged in V-Roots, and I'm really proud about the people who are there with us. They are our assets. They are our greatest resources. We call them partners because we work as partners. I take their input and I build that input into the company strategies, and we work together to develop V-Roots as a multi-billion-dollar company. And the last P is the plan, the compensation structure. I always talk about the compensation structure last, because I don't want to attract anyone into the business just by showing a business plan. I know that even people who are coming from a multi-level marketing or a network marketing background, they always ask the question, what is the plan? Show me the plan. And please understand, friends, there is no magic in any company's plan. There is very little a company can create as a uniqueness in a plan. But still, V-Roots is doing a wonderful job in terms of the compensation structure. I can tell you with 100% confidence that we are the highest paying compensation plan right now in India. And it's not just the highest paying, it pays more for your personal efforts too. Because most of the companies have got a compensation plan which never rewards for personal productivity. That means if I am willing to sell more products, how can I make money in that kind of a compensation structure? It is impossible. And almost all the companies except one or two, I've seen their compensation structure. If you wanted to make money, you need to build a network. And you have to build a huge network to make a bit of substantial income. But with V-Roots, even if you don't create any network, based on your personal productivity, you can make real good money. In just 2 months, I am seeing people making 6-digit income based on their own personal productivity, not based on their network. I'm not saying that people cannot make money from network. Yes, you can create a brilliant sales network, and the residual income part of our compensation structure is much more attractive than any of the compensation structure which is available right now in India. So that means this compensation plan provides both. It rewards your personal productivity, and also it rewards for the team you build and the kind of sales which happens inside your team. In fact, I would rather say we are all very, very excited about the last 2 months. In fact, I can very clearly tell you that it has been a dream start for V-Roots in India. In just 2 months, we have done a great job in terms of moving towards our purpose with the right kind of products and the right kind of process, with the right kind of people with us, paying out using one of the best compensation plans. So V-Roots has just started. It's a long way to go. And I just wanted to tell you that if you are a person who believes that for a sustainably long-term business, a company needs to have a purpose which is connected to the society, and if you are a person who believes in quality when it comes to products or when it comes to people, and if you are a person who believes that personal productivity needs to be rewarded. And if you are a person who believes that you should be doing something connected to the future trends, you should be futuristic to become successful in life, welcome to V Roots.